Hey everybody, Tommy from Crooked River Forge here. I know I haven't posted very much in a while. I kind of got sidetracked with a lot of stuff, especially over the holidays. I got super busy and I just wasn't able to film while I was working. So I'm going to break some rules here with what I learned over the last couple of days at the Lincoln Electric Spring Make event that I was fortunate enough to be invited to. Thanks again to Craig Coffey and the girls over there that put that whole event together. Lincoln Electric is by far one of the coolest companies I've ever had the pleasure of doing an event like that with. I mean, they treated us like royalty over there. We got to put down a lot of rod, and the knowledge that they brought in front of us was truly amazing, and the people that they brought together in this group were also truly amazing. And I kind of having separation anxiety right now because I was learning so much, and now all of those people are gone and everybody's back in their shops, and I know you're going to see some great stuff from all these people. Jimmy DeResta, Izzy, April, Laura, it's just on and on. I'm going to try to tag everybody in here so everybody can follow all these great people and continue to build this makers community that we have here. So like I said, I'm going to try to focus on doing way more stuff. I'm not sure if you read in my bio, I changed some stuff up today. I'm making the page, used to be Urban Homestead, changing everything over to Crooked River Forge, so it's all copacetic and everything kind of points to that. And we'll continue to do fun stuff around the house. I'm going to get way more into open fire cooking this year. I'm going to build some stuff that's going to hopefully provide people with some inspiration to start cooking over the fire. I love using cast iron, and once you cook a steak over a cast iron open flame, you'll probably never want to cook in your house again. I mean, we did it on Christmas Eve this year, outside in the yard, having a few adult beverages, making some steaks, and I think we had some crab legs out there. And had it not been so dark, I would have done some filming out there, but it was about 6, 7 o'clock in Cleveland at that time of the year. It's pretty much dark, so not much of a filming opportunity there, but I'll figure something out for this summer. It doesn't get dark till 8, 9, almost 10 o'clock once you hit middle of the summer. So we'll try to get a lot more about that. The knife making, and planning to do some cool new stuff here, along with keeping with my old traditional stuff. Most of you guys that are familiar with it, you know the style. So keep an eye out for that. And thanks again for liking my page. If you like what you start seeing here, please share my information. Get some buzz going out there for me, because it only helps me be able to create more and more stuff. So thanks again. Crooked River Forge, Tommy Matthews. We'll see you soon. Bye.